Hey guys, let's have a quick look around our shop cars that we got sitting here. So this one's my S15. You might have seen me drive this at Bay Park in Pro-Am. We had a little whoops over here, we'll just ignore that. We've got a nice little basic setup in here, just a SR22, a V-mount. Need to make some shrouds in there. I've only just done this recently, but steering wise we've got TDP and some HKS coilovers, full Origin Labo kit. We've got graphics from Big Brown, they look after all of our cars. We've also got, behind the SR, we've got a CD09 that we made an adapter plate for, and Casper looks after that for us. In here we've just got hydro handbrake, OMP seat, just one seat. I don't like taking passengers, I won't lie. Harnesses, one of our 8-point cages. Yeah, nice and simple. Let's have a look over here at Joe's car.
Alright, well this is the shop pack, if you would. So S14 with the S15 front. We're lucky here at DK, we end up with lots of spare parts. So we've basically built this with leftovers, and it gets upgrades when we come across new bits and pieces. So it's got a SR20 depth under the bonnet as well, cut knuckles and extended lower arms. Other than that, it's pretty basic. Just got another 8-point cage, the same as kegs, bucket seats, harnesses, hydraulic handbrake. And we pretty much just use this at Evergreen to have fun and let our mates have goes in as well. But we're missing drifting with round 4 being cancelled, so let's go for a fang in the paddock.